You can go pick your food or you can grow your food. You pick. You be wise. You can pick your food or you can grow your food. Do you want acid farming foods or do you want alkaline rich foods? You feel me? Do you want acid foods inside of you causing body to be not at ease, cause disease? Or do you want alkaline foods that's refreshing your body, giving you enlightenment, giving you rich minerals, good iron, magnesium, calcium, potassium, magnesium? You feel me? What do you want? You feel me? Do you want alkalines or do you want acid frying food inside of you? So do you want acid frying food or do you want alkaline?